A charitable trust is a gift made for a charitable purpose for the benefit of the public, rather than for an ascertainable beneficiary. But what if the specific charitable purpose of the trust becomes unlawful, impossible, or impracticable to carry out? Does a court have the power in equity to redirect trust funds to carry out a general charitable intent of the trust's settlor? This was the question for the New Jersey Supreme Court in Wilber v. Owens. In 1931, William Brokaw Bamford executed his will. In his will, Bamford created a testamentary trust known as the Exton-Bamford Research Fund. Under the trust, Bamford directed that most of his estate be gifted to the National Academy of Sciences for the distribution of his manuscript notes, which discussed his views on philosophical and metaphysical issues. If the Academy declined, Bamford stated that the gift was to be given to Princeton University for the same purposes. Further, Bamford stated that the notes were to be for the benefit of humankind. In April of 1945, Bamford died, and his will was admitted to probate. Charles Wilber was named as the sole executor. In addition, John Owens, one of Bamford's next of kin, was a beneficiary under his will. After the will was admitted, Wilber examined the notes and couldn't make sense of them. Wilber then submitted the notes to a professor of philosophy at Princeton, who stated that they were worthless and that their publication wouldn't serve a useful purpose. Subsequently, Wilber brought an action in state chancery court seeking construction of the will. The Academy and Princeton both declined to accept the gift under the trust. In addition, Owens claimed that the will was invalid, that Bamford therefore died intestate, and that his estate should be distributed among the next of kin. The Chancery Court disagreed and found that 1. Bamford had a general charitable intent, 2. The will created a valid charitable trust, and 3. Wilber was required to distribute the corpus of the trust to the trustees of Princeton to use the money for the advancement of scientific and philosophical research. Owens appealed to the New Jersey Supreme Court.